Ever had a solid trading plan ready but you missed out on profits just because your account wasn't swap free? I know it's frustrating, but here's the good news. You can make your account swap free in the Opofinance application so simple. In this video, I'm gonna go through all the exact steps to help you not lose another opportunity. Let's go. Alright, let's go through the process of making your account swap free. It's so simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open the Opofinance app, log into your account. Once you're in on the main screen, you'll see a section called Accounts. Tap on that to view all your active trading accounts. Now select the account you want to make swap free. Tap on it to open the settings. In the settings, you'll see an option labeled Swap Free. Tap on it to access the request page. This page shows you the rules and conditions for enabling the swap free feature. It's important to read through them carefully because you'll need to agree with these terms before your request can be submitted. Once you read and agree to the terms, select I accept and send the request. After that, the Opofinance support team will review your request, and this process might take a little time, but you will receive the result via email. If you want to check the status of your request at any point, just head back to the account section and revisit the swap free option for updates. That's it, your swap free request is in. Now you're one step closer to smarter, more flexible trading. If this video helped you out, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll have your back. Until next time, stay sharp.